Hey guys, quick video for you on the Lotmay stem cell collagen peptide oral drops. If it's like real or if it's scam. Now, what is off to me is that I don't know if these videos are legit or no, but when I dive deeper, like the transitions here, like for example, this is a whole fake thing. Like this is like doing with Photoshop or some kind of like CapCut or something, which is like smoothed more. And same thing, like when I look on doctor, and this is something I don't like at all, right? There is a doctor, and when I checked him, it doesn't even seem real, because it's like, it doesn't seem real. And I looked on Google, I couldn't find anything. Right? Nothing. There isn't a single person that is like looking like that on Google. And you would find like every doctor there is, you would just find like 1-2 pictures, but nothing. So this is something that I even checked here, like some random article, but this is like the average Roseberry, someone else. So if you want to actually buy, just be aware, like same thing, like these are AI pictures. This is not real. So this is a fake thing. Don't trust it. Don't trust it, all right? Rowan Elcrest. I'm telling you right now, I'm not going to find him. See? Nothing. Nothing. So these people are like AI'd. Elara Vincent. Sinclair. Nothing. Nothing. So this is all fake. So don't buy just based on this. And same thing, like look at these pictures. There is no way. No way. Mamma mia. So just be aware, alright? Don't use it. Don't buy. I wouldn't recommend it.